Hi there guys, so as you were guessing, I've just had a Happy Meal from McDonald's. It's going to be a separate little video on the box, so let's move that out of the way for now. But I received a McDonald's toy. It's a normal minion, and I want you to comment down below and tell me which minion I've got. So like before, it's the minion toy review, but this time it's with it actually in the bag, so I have to cut it open and stuff. This was just something I got. I think it's Tom, but tell me if I'm right or not. I just want to get on with this opening video. I'm really tired. I've just been to my friend's house, so let's just check what this is. Just cut. Yeah, this is not the best. Let's rip the rest of that off. Let's just take them out. There we go. So, minion. I don't know what he does. I think it really works out. Something along these lines. So let's have a look at the instructions leaflet. So it says, turn the minion on and press with one hand. And it doesn't seem to be working, which isn't very good. Try this again. No, that's not very good, it doesn't work. Okay, thanks for watching guys, I'm a bit upset that it doesn't actually work. Yeah, I should get a refund for this really. Or in and out.